Come in. Hello. You may sit down. Okay, so are you Rafa?
Yes, I'm Rafa.
Okay, Rafa. So can we start the interview now, Rafa?
Yes.
Okay, let's start the interview ya. So just be calm, just so little chill. Okay, so first I want to ask you tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Rafa Rizkulo and I graduate from Universitas Brawijaya in Public Administration with GPA of 3.15. During college,
Okay.
I joined several student organizations where I learned a lot about communication, teamwork, and leadership. After that, I worked for 2 years at PT Pelayaran Nasional Indonesia, a marine expedition company. My job there was mostly about handling cargo insert production, claims, and business corporations. I also manage documents, archiving, and use a logistic system. People know me as someone who is detail-oriented, honest, and analytic. I can work well under pressure, keep data accurate, and adapt quickly to new environments.
Okay, it's very good answer from public administration at Universitas Brawijaya and have many experience in internship. Okay, so may you know that the task of. Okay, so now why are you interested in this position?
Uh, okay, I'm interested in the insured arbitration role because it matches both my education and my work experience. I already dealt with insured documents and claims, so I am familiar with the process. I also see PT Setiawan Mitra Utama Logistik as a growing company in logistics, and I want to contribute to making the administration more efficient and supporting customer service.
Okay, so you're very interested in this position ya as an insurance administration, and also you have mentioned our company PT Setiawan Mitra Utama Logistik. So now, what do you know about our company?
Uh, from what I know, PT Setiawan Mitra Utama Logistik is a logistic company that focuses on shipping and supply chain management. The company has a good reputation for being reliable and professional, especially in delivering good on the time. That's why I feel this is a great place to grow and contribute.
Okay, it's very good, very enough for about our company. Okay, so next, what are your greatest strengths?
My biggest strengths are being detail oriented and analytic. I am good at managing document and making sure everything is accurate. I also have strong communication skill, so I can work well with the partners, customers, and internal teams. On the technical side, I'm comfortable using Microsoft Excel, Word, and logistic system to supply daily tasks.
Okay, thank you. So it's look like you fit in this position for your strengths, but besides the strengths, there are also weaknesses. So I want you to know that what is your greatest weakness and how are you working to improve it?
And how sometimes I spend too much time focus and small details which can slow me down, but I am working on balancing accuracy and speed by setting priorities and using time management tools. That's why I can still deliver quickly work without missing deadlines.
Okay, very good that you can solve the weaknesses. Very great. And now I want to ask you about describe a challenging situation you face and how you handled it.
At PT Pelayaran Nasional Indonesia, I once had to handle complicated cargo insecure claim inflowing server partners. The challenge was making sure all documents were company and valid. I solved it by coordination closely with internal teams and shipping partners, mostly short emails and short meeting. In the end, the claim was processed on the time and the customer was satisfied.
Oh. Okay, thank you. So you can handle your challenging situation. I know that it's very need in this company to be able to solve the hard challenging in your situation. So now tell me about time you demonstrate as a leadership.
Uh, During college, I was the head of a student organization event. I
Okay.
had to manage the team, accept the text, and make sure everything with event summary. By, by keeping communication clear and motivating the team, the event was successful and appreciated by both students and lecturers.
Okay, thank you. So you have already the experience, so maybe you're ready to lead this position also. And for the next question, after the leadership, so give me an example of how you work in a team.
At PT Pelayaran Nasional Indonesia, I worked in an administration team that had to coordinate with operation and finance. I always listened to my teammates, gave input when needed, and helped when was struggling. Thanks to teamwork, we managed to finish tasks on the time even when the work was heavy.
Okay, you're very good at your teamwork. So next, maybe for your internship, what experience do you have that relates to this position?
I have 2 years of direct experience with cargo insurance product and claim handling. I also manage business corporate documents, archive, and logistic system. All of these are closely related to insured administration role.
Okay, so your internship is aligned with your position you have to want to in insurance administration. It's very, very good. It's very advantage for your interview. Okay, so now for about your position, what do you think are the biggest challenge in public administration today?
I think the biggest challenge are digitalization and transparency. Many organizations need to adapt to digital system to be more efficient, but at the same time, the must protect data security. People also expect more transparency and accountability. So administration has to be fast, accurate, and open.
Okay, I also agree that administration has to be fast, accurate, and open. Okay, so next, how would you handle conflict between staff member?
uh, if the candidate I will try to listen to both sides first and understand the root of the problem. Then I'd help then find solution that works for everyone. The goal is to keep the relationship professional and make sure the conflict does not affect the team productively.
Okay, it's very good that you was taking this conflict to handle by helping, by talk, listen to both sides, and then you. Okay, so now how do you prioritize tasks when managing multiple responsibility?
Okay, actually make a priority list based on urgence and deadlines. The most urgent tasks I finish first, while longer tasks I break down in the smaller steps. I also use Excel or simple tracking tools to monitor progress and stay organized.
Okay, it's good for your prioritized tasks. You know how to solve when there is a multiple responsibility. Okay, so where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I hope to grow into a senior administration or supervisor in logistics and insurance. I want to keep learning, improve my skill, and take on bigger responsibilities to support the company's success.
Okay, thank you. So you want to grow more bigger and bigger in this position in the
Yes.
company. Okay, so thank you Rafa for having this interview. Okay, so now maybe that's the last question and I want to say thank you again that you have been in this interview and for the announcement you will wait for about 1 week and I will send it the announcement in the email. So please check your email for about 1 week again. So okay,
Okay,
thank
Mister.
you Rafa. So you can go now. Okay, thank
Thank you.
you.